2V0-11.25 exam questions are available in the video for you to study. 2V0-11.25 exam questions are available in the video for you to study. The answer is B. VMware HCX is specifically designed to simplify and automate workload migration across private and public cloud environments, enabling seamless mobility and management of applications. VMware vSAN, primarily used for hyper-converged storage solutions. VMware Horizon, provides virtual desktop and application management. VMware Cloud Builder automates the initial deployment of VMware Cloud Foundation. What role does VMware vSphere IaaS control plane, formerly vSphere with Tanzu, play in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. Automates network monitoring tasks. B. Provides integration with Kubernetes clusters for cloud-native applications. C. Manages backup and disaster recovery operations. D. Handles only vSphere-based virtual machines. The answer is B. VMware vSphere IaaS control plane, formerly vSphere with Tanzu, integrates Kubernetes directly into VMware Cloud Foundation. Its primary role is enabling users to deploy, manage, and orchestrate cloud-native applications by providing Kubernetes clusters within the VMware vSphere environment. Option A. Automates network monitoring tasks, handled by solutions like VMware vRealize Network Insight. Option C. Manages backup and disaster recovery operations, typically managed by solutions like VMware Site Recovery Manager or VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery. Option D. Handles only vSphere-based virtual machines. vSphere traditionally manages virtual machines, but vSphere with Tanzu expands beyond VMs, specifically enabling Kubernetes workloads. Which two of the following actions are necessary when troubleshooting vSphere HA issues in VMware Cloud Foundation? Select 2. A. Check the status of DRS. B. Verify the vSphere HA settings for the cluster. C. Reboot the SG host. D. Examine the host logs for HA-related errors. The answer is BD. When troubleshooting vSphere HA issues within VMware Cloud Foundation, it's essential to verify the vSphere HA settings. B. Confirm the configuration settings, such as admission control, host monitoring, and isolation response settings, to ensure HA is properly enabled and configured. Examine host logs. D. Reviewing host logs, e.g., vmkernel.log, fdm.log, helps identify specific HA-related errors and diagnose issues effectively. Which two use cases are supported by VMware ARIA operations for logs in a VMware Cloud Foundation solution? Select 2. A. Log management for monitoring and troubleshooting. B. Data replication between different VMware environments. C. Integration with AWS Lambda for cloud automation. D. Real-time log event analysis for performance optimization. The answer is AD. VMware ARIA operations for logs, formerly VMware vRealize Log Insight, is designed specifically for log management and analytics within VMware environments. Key supported use cases include log management for monitoring and troubleshooting, option A. ARIA operations for logs consolidates logs from different VMware Cloud Foundation components, enabling simplified monitoring and quicker troubleshooting. Real-time log event analysis for performance optimization, option D. It provides real-time analysis and insights from log events, helping administrators proactively optimize performance and resolve issues. Which two VMware Cloud Foundation solutions are used for managing the lifecycle of VMware environments? Select 2. A. SDDC Manager, B. vRealize Automation, C. vCenter Server, D. VMware HCX. The answer is AC. The lifecycle management of VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) environments includes installation, configuration, updates, upgrades, and patch management. The two main components responsible for lifecycle management in VCF are SDDC Manager, option A. Centralizes lifecycle management tasks for VMware Cloud Foundation components, including automated deployment, upgrades, patches, and configuration management across the software-defined data center stack. vCenter Server, option C. Manages SDDC hosts and VMs directly and is integral in supporting lifecycle management operations coordinated by SDDC Manager. When configuring a VMware Cloud Foundation NSX Edge cluster, which step must be performed first? A. Configure the TEP tunnel endpoint. B. Add the edge transport nodes. C. Validate the BGP configuration. D. Install NSX Manager. The answer is D. When setting up an NSX Edge cluster in VMware Cloud Foundation, the very first step you must complete is installing and deploying the NSX Manager. NSX Manager is essential because it provides the central management plane and control plane necessary for managing NSX components, including edge clusters and networking configurations. Which action is involved in configuring the NSX Edge cluster during VMware Cloud Foundation installation? A. Validate TEP configuration. B. Configure Data Center Network, DCN. C. Deploy VMware vSphere using SDDC Manager. D. Install VMware vRealize Suite Lifecycle. The answer is A. When configuring the NSX Edge cluster during VMware Cloud Foundation installation, one crucial action is to validate the tunnel endpoint (TEP) configuration. TEPs are essential for NSX to provide overlay network connectivity and enable communication between virtual workloads and NSX Edge nodes. Which two components are part of the VMware Cloud Foundation technology stack? Select 2. A. VMware vSphere. B. Amazon RDS. C. VMware vSAN. D. AWS CloudFormation. The answer is AC. VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) technology stack is built upon VMware's software-defined data center (SDDC) products, including VMware vSphere, option A, provides compute virtualization, managing and running virtual machines. VMware vSAN, option C, offers hyper-converged storage solutions, integrated directly into vSphere. When troubleshooting vSAN connectivity issues in VMware Cloud Foundation, which of the following actions should be taken? A. Check the status of the vSAN data store. B. Reboot the SDDC hosts in the vSAN cluster. C. Reset the vSAN health alarms. D. Disable network I/O control for the vSAN data store. The answer is A. When troubleshooting vSAN connectivity issues in VMware Cloud Foundation, the recommended initial step is to check the status of the vSAN data store. This allows you to quickly identify any immediate issues such as offline components, inaccessible objects, or network connectivity problems. When troubleshooting vSAN connectivity issues in VMware Cloud Foundation, which of the following actions should be taken? A. Check the status of the vSAN data store. B. Reboot the SDDC hosts in the vSAN cluster. C. Reset the vSAN health alarms. D. Disable network I/O control for the vSAN data store. The answer is C. When deploying VMware ARIA Suite, formerly vRealize Suite, using SDDC Manager, a critical configuration step before full integration is to set up application virtual networks, AVNs. AVNs ensure network isolation and proper connectivity for the VMware ARIA Suite components, enabling them to communicate effectively and securely.